Assalamu alaikum my dear friends, welcome back in Desi Homemade. Today I am gonna show you how to make crispy fried fish at home. Half kg fish. Add a 2 tablespoons of red chilies powder. Add a half teaspoon of Fry umami. Add a 2 tablespoons of fish spices. Add a salt to taste. Add a half teaspoon of black pepper. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Add 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Mix it well with the help of hand or spoon. Add 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Mix it well again and marinate it for 24 hours or according to you. I marinate it for 24 hours for lovely and juicy flavor, so you can must try it. After 24 hours, let's fry it. In 1 cup of wheat flour, add a pinch of salt, half teaspoon red chilies powder, and mix it well. Our fish coating is ready. Coat the fish with this flour and deep fry it for 10 to 15 minutes. Our fish is ready for serve. Let's dish it out and serve it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for delicious recipes.